Meet the IF-IOL Series IO-Link Converter from DwyerOmega, designed to convert legacy 4 to 20 mA or 0 to 10 volt analog sensor signals into IO-Link process data. The IF-IOL series makes it easy to connect your existing analog sensors to IO-Link masters for a true bi-directional point-to-point digital signal path without additional hardware or complex wiring. The IF-IOL series features integral M12 connectors, allowing for direct mounting onto a sensor or for inline installation anywhere in the signal loop. These compact, rugged converters meet IP65, IP67, and IP68 environmental ratings, and they feature LED status indicators for power, IO-Link communication, and analog signal activity. With high-resolution 13 and 14-bit accuracy and plus-minus 0.5% measurement precision, delivering dependable and consistent signal conversion for mission-critical applications. Here are just a few of the advantages of upgrading to IO-Link with the IF-IOL series. Scalability. In data center applications, add new rack rows, cooling zones, and monitoring points without reprogramming or re-terminating every controller, since additional devices can be connected through available IO-Link master ports or by expanding the IO-Link network. Streamlined commissioning. Reduces the need for individual analog signal terminations at the controller by aggregating device data through an IO-Link master, which communicates digitally to higher-level systems, enabling automatic device identification and standardized data formats to help speed system checkout and validation. Standardized digital integration. The IF-IOL series converter digitizes an analog sensor signal and transmits it to an IO-Link master. From there, the data is integrated into PLC, BAS, or DCIM platforms for centralized monitoring and control. Available in two models, the IF-IOL 001 for 4 to 20 mA current signals and the IF-IOL 002 for 0 to 10 volt signals, offering the flexibility engineers need to match most any application. So now you don't have to get rid of your legacy analog sensors in order to step up to the convenience and stability of a bidirectional point-to-point digital signal path that IO-Link offers with the IF-IOL series converters from DwyerOmega.